Here's a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. It comes with great features you'll love. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power windows, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.